Quite a week in Utah with all the snow. Is it done yet?
Yes.
Finally.
And how would you like some nice warm spring weather, warmest of the year?
Love it.
Okay, I'm going to show you. I'll show you which days.
Okay.
This is what it looked like in Tooele today. We had several reports of 7 to 8 inches of snow around Tooele, more than 10 inches in the Ochre Mountains. It was a winter scene. It's amazing how it can snow this much, and then temperatures in Tooele this afternoon warmed into the mid and low 40s. Now, here is the Live 5 weather trivia question and answer. First of all, the question: 6 avalanches in Little Cottonwood Canyon knocked several cars off the road and partially buried a UTA bus. 1998, or was it 2008? It was 1998, and it was a series of terrible, horrible avalanches that hit the area. Well, speaking of snow, this is what it looks like on Cedar Mountain, State Route 14. And this is Nancy Roundy, and she says no wonder there's 160% of the normal snowfall on Cedar Mountain. She says the farmers in her area are not worried about the spring runoff. There's going to be plenty of water. Speaking of snow and water, this is Suncrest. Look at these snow drifts. Here is a snow blowing machine. For whatever reason, Suncrest was hit particularly hard by this storm. We had several reports from the Suncrest area of between 8 and 12 inches. It's just crazy how you can have so much snow in one spot, and another location like downtown Salt Lake, we had 2 inches total. Bryan had 33 inches of snow from this storm. Fillmore 13 inches, Woodland Hills 12, Sandy 6, and the Olympus Cove 5. Some other reports including Cedar City was 6 inches, Ephraim was 6 inches. Fillmore had 5.5 yesterday, 6.5 today, for a total of 13 inches, and the high there was 33 degrees. Logan, high of 46. Logan had just a half an inch of snow. This storm totally missed you. In Montpelier, a trace of snow, while Moab, 0.6 of an inch, and now they are reporting 160% of the normal entire month of March total, and we're only halfway through the month. Provo had an inch of snow, 6 inches in Salina, and Tooele again adding to the totals, and another 1.5 inches. Well, this storm system is moving into Colorado. You can see the temperatures are still very cold, 39 in Price. Blanding is 30 after 1 inch of snow. Colorado still seeing the snow, and this storm will continue to wind down as it heads towards Albuquerque, New Mexico, and eventually over into Texas. Here's that nice little ridge of high pressure. I promised you, you will love this high pressure, especially if you like warm spring-like weather, because as it moves towards Salt Lake City Monday and Tuesday, it'll be kind of over the top of us into Wednesday. The warmest days of the year are coming up. Should be a good start to the work week, and temperatures a little chilly tonight, but warming up into the 40s, 50s to near 60 or warmer than that in places like St. George and Kanab. How about a 51 and an 18 in Manti? That's cold stuff. 69, 65 to 70 around St. George the next several days. Low 70s middle of the week. Are you making some tea times? Are you thinking about heading up Snow Canyon or Zion National Park? Could be a very, very nice week for that. Salt Lake City tomorrow, we should be about 5 degrees warmer than we were today, but we won't have that terrible wind. In fact, winds in Rock Springs today were running 40 to 50 miles per hour. So 53 tomorrow, 61, that's right, 61 on Tuesday, 63 on Wednesday, and then a slight chance for a shower Thursday. But I'll tell you what, this is going to be one dandy of a week. And now with the sun setting later, you can actually get out and do some yard work after you get home.
High five for the weather guys.
Yeah.